Next method from cyanide. Both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines can easily be prepared by the reduction of corresponding cyanides or nitriles. Cyanides are also known as nitriles with lithium aluminum hydride, sodium and ethyl alcohol, or with hydrogen in presence of Rani nickel. That is a commercial name, that is nickel catalyst. Therefore, in general, we can represent this method of preparation RCN when treated with when in presence of nascent hydrogen obtained any of the method, that means either using lithium aluminum hydride or sodium and ethyl alcohol or hydrogen supplied in presence of nickel catalyst, RCH2NH2. That is the product obtained. We can use this method for the preparation of any primary amine. Therefore, based on that, the question is, using a cyanide, how will you prepare ethyl amine? Try to write this answer. The reduction of a nitrile with sodium and ethyl alcohol is called Mendius reaction. What is meant by Mendius reaction? Explain with the help of an example. That is a question. Now, fourth method is from an amide, Hofmann's degradation reaction. This can be asked as a short note or as a name reaction, or in ABCD questions, one step they will give you the Hofmann's degradation, means one carbon atom is less. Primary amines can be obtained from primary amides by Hofmann's degradation reaction. The method consists of treating a primary amide with bromine and caustic potash, that is potassium hydroxide. When a primary amine containing one carbon atom less than the amide is obtained, that is why the name degradation is given. General equation RCONH2 plus bromine plus potassium hydroxide gives RNH2, which is a primary amine or 1 degree amine. Potassium carbonate, potassium bromide and water. A question based on this same principle, that is the name reaction. How will you prepare methyl amine by Hofmann's degradation reaction? Fifth one, from nitro compounds, both aliphatic as well as aromatic amines can be prepared by the reduction of the corresponding nitro compounds with tin and HCl or iron and HCl or lithium aluminum hydride or hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst. The general equation is RNO2 plus nascent hydrogen, either in presence of tin and HCl or iron and HCl. A primary amine RNH2 plus water is obtained. A question based on that, using a nitro compound, how will you prepare ethyl amine?